Okay, so we shall start from where we stopped last time. So in this video here, let us try to insert some records in this database table. So we shall go to insert, and we shall see our table has a form that has been created automatically by XAMPP. So in here, we are going to leave it blank because it is auto increment. As well, here the username we shall put, for example, ABC. The email we shall say abc@UgProHub.co.ug. As well here for the role, we forgot to put roles, but here we'll put role admin. Have to put some enum or the enumeration values. But for now, we shall continue with this, and then the password will be ABC13. Time and date. In this person logged in, we shall use a time picker, time and date picker, and we can choose any time. Yes, so this person has logged in at that time, and the created record will be there. Or you can say this person has not logged in to the system yet. So we shall say go. We have a problem inserting our query. Inserted row ID1 warning data truncated for column. The problem was, what's the problem? What is really the problem? Let us first go back to our table structure and we review it. It is auto increment. So why is it denying? This can be null, this cannot be null. Okay. Alright, so let us try to insert again. So where the real place is coming from. So we shall put our details. This is the raw button. And here we shall say ABC3. We said this can be null, and we shall put a value there. This is current stamp. Alright, still data truncated, but it says one inserted. Why? But we run error. Let me try to run this query. This is where the problem is coming from. It's been inserted. Okay, maybe it's some kind of error with the system. Here it shows it was so. Okay, so simply that's how to insert data, but we need to inspect modes where the problem is coming from. I'll first truncate. So I'm going to show you. You are seeing here the user ID. It keeps on auto incrementing 1, 2, 3, but when I just delete these records after highlighting them and I say I want to delete them like that, if I go back to insert a new record into the same table, I say 1 here, I don't put. I'll come and put the same user, email, I put here, role, this person is a user, system user, and the password is user123, and then here, last login can be null because this person never logged in, and it could be null, yes, it is a null value if nothing has been inserted, and then timestamp. So go click go, and data should be inserted. So when I come here, I am seeing my data has been inserted here. There is nothing. Time created that. The record time is picked automatically from the system, and finally here I see it starts on number 4, but we had 0 records. The reason is when you delete, those records are not entirely there is a leftover. So That means when we are starting to create new records, we shall start from the last digit. So here we have a 4. If I wanted to start from 1, whenever I delete my, whenever I want to clear my table, I could come and say truncate table. Which table? It will be my DB. Okay, for example, now here my DB is already selected. I'll just say table users. I'll truncate it. It says, do you really want to truncate? Because it's a destructive action. Whenever I do it, you cannot undo it. I say yes. So truncate means that I am going to clear the table and I delete everything and I make sure nothing, there is no traceback remains. Someone will never know that data was initially inserted. So I'll come here and say abc at UgProHub.co.ug. Here I'll put a role. This person is administrator and this person has admin password and like that. So I'll go ahead and boom, user inserted. So when I come back to see to browse, I'll see it starts on 1. So simply that's how to create or insert data into a user table, and also to delete records, to truncate. You can also come and say delete. You can also come and say delete. Come to the SQL tab. Come to the SQL tab. You say delete. And you first insert a new user. Insert to users. You have put there which values are you putting in. You'll be like, I want to put username. I want to put email. I want to put inside there. I want to put password. Is it row? I want to put password. So those are the only things you want to insert into your table. So you come here and dictate the values. Here, these are the values you want to put into the database. For example, first user will be Ricky. His email will be Ricky at UgProHub.co.ug, and then the role, this person is a field user, and then password user delete 1, like that. And after that, you can want to create a new user, but here you put a comma instead of that. So this one is Navidons, that, and here say Navidons, but Navidons is an administrator with 3. So there we go. So now I will just click go, and I will have 2 rows being inserted into my database. Okay, so this is how you would delete one of the records. Someone will come here and say delete from users where user ID equals so we want to delete the last user. So that is true well for delete. Right, so I'll go ahead and execute it. Says, do you really want to delete? Yeah, I want to delete that user. It's no longer needed in my system. One row deleted. The moment I go back, I cannot see any user. So we can use the where clause to uniquely identify. You can say, I don't know whether it will work, but sometimes update. Okay, so let us do that in another video. I don't want this video to become so long. Let us try updating records in a new video.